What if you could burn fat faster in the next 30 days, without starving, extreme workouts, or supplements? It sounds wild, but the science is real. Today, I'm giving you the exact 30-day blueprint that's helped millions transform their bodies. We'll break down the real science of fat loss, from metabolism-boosting routines to the hidden habits that hold you back. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about building sustainable, evidence-based habits for life. Grab a notebook, because every detail in this video builds toward a total transformation. Are you ready? Let's begin. To lose fat rapidly and safely, you need to work with your body's biology, not against it. The foundation is a smart calorie deficit, burning more energy than you consume, but not starving yourself. Managing insulin is key. High insulin from constant carbs and sugar keeps your body in fat storage mode. Lowering stress and cortisol is just as important. Chronic stress leads to cravings and stubborn belly fat. Boost your metabolism by moving more throughout the day. NEAT, or non-exercise, activity. Thermogenesis burns more calories than you think. Prioritize protein. It takes more energy to digest and helps preserve muscle, which keeps your metabolism high. Combine these: a moderate calorie deficit, smart carb timing, stress management, daily movement, and high-protein meals. This holistic approach resets your hormones and metabolism for real, lasting fat loss. Don't just diet, change your lifestyle, and every piece will amplify the others. Remember calorie deficit, insulin control, cortisol reduction, NEAT, and thermogenesis. These are your levers for transformation. Now, let's put this science into action with your step-by-step plan. Get ready to see what your body can do. Here's your week-by-week action plan for the next 30 days. Week 1. Reset your metabolism. Eat only whole, unprocessed foods, ditch added sugars, refined grains, and processed snacks. Start each morning with water and lemon, then a high-protein breakfast. Walk 30 to 45 minutes daily to boost NEAT and lower cortisol. Week 2. Activate your metabolism. Keep eating whole foods, but add a fist-sized portion of complex carbs like quinoa or sweet potato to lunch, especially on workout days. Start high-intensity workouts 3 times a week. Short, intense bursts that torch calories and keep your metabolism elevated. Keep walking on non-HIIT days. Emphasize fat-burning foods, green tea, spicy peppers, and protein at every meal. Week 3. Maximize fat burning. Switch to 3 full-body strength training sessions. Focus on compound moves like squats and push-ups. Add intermittent fasting 2 or 3 days a week, 16-8 method. Hydrate with at least 3 liters of water daily. On non-strength days, increase your walk's intensity or duration. Week 4. The final push. Combine 3 strength sessions, 2 intermittent fasting days, and clean eating. Protein, veggies, and carbs only around workouts. Start each morning with water, lemon, and a brisk walk before breakfast, if not fasting. Try fasted cardio to target stubborn fat. Evening routine. Finish your last meal at least 3 hours before bed, then take a gentle 15-minute walk to aid digestion and lower blood sugar. Eat nothing from a box or bag, except frozen veggies or canned fish. This final cleanse reveals your results. Each week builds on the last. Reset, activate, maximize, and solidify your new habits. Stick to the plan, and you'll see dramatic changes in just 30 days. This is how you achieve a lean, energized, and healthy body, fast. Ready for the next level? Let's tackle the hidden obstacles that can sabotage your progress. Even the best plan can be derailed by hidden habits. Here are the 5 biggest weight loss killers, and how to beat them. First, eating too little. Severe calorie cuts slow your metabolism and trigger rebound weight gain. Stick to a moderate deficit. Second, poor sleep. Less than 7 hours raises cortisol, increases cravings, and disrupts hunger hormones. Prioritize quality sleep every night. Third, chronic stress. High stress means high cortisol, more belly fat, and emotional eating. Use daily walks, meditation, or time in nature to manage stress. Fourth, sugary drinks, sodas, juices, and sweetened coffees are loaded with hidden calories and spike insulin. For 30 days, drink only water, black coffee, or unsweetened green tea. Fifth, inconsistency. Motivation fades, but habits stick. Don't aim for perfection, just show up every day. If you slip, get right back on track. Think of these killers as leaks in your results bucket. Plug them, and your efforts will finally pay off. Identify your biggest saboteur, late-night scrolling, stress eating, or daily sodas, and tackle it head-on. Prepare healthy snacks, set a bedtime, and schedule workouts like appointments. Consistency, not perfection, is what drives real transformation. Address these 5 areas, and you'll build a lifestyle that supports lasting fat loss. This is how you turn knowledge into results. Now, let's lock in your success with a few final, powerful tips. You're almost there. To seal your results, here are 5 powerful tips you can start today. 1. Include protein with every meal and snack. It boosts metabolism, keeps you full, and preserves muscle. 2. No eating for at least 3 hours before bed. This improves sleep, lowers insulin, and maximizes overnight fat burning. 3. Twice a week, make dinner a giant protein salad, leafy greens, colorful veggies, and lean protein. It's filling, low-calorie, and nutrient-dense. 4. Drink 2 cups of unsweetened green tea daily. Its antioxidants gently boost metabolism and help with fat loss. 5. Add cinnamon to your breakfast. It helps control blood sugar and reduces cravings. And above all, protect your sleep. Treat bedtime like a non-negotiable appointment. Turn off screens, wind down, and make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. These small habits, protein, meal timing, green tea, cinnamon, and sleep, are your daily checklist for success. Start with 1 or 2, then build from there. Each step compounds your results. You now have the science, the plan, and the tools to transform your body and health. No more excuses, just execution. Commit to these habits and your transformation is inevitable. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that create massive change. You're ready for your best 30 days ever. Let's finish strong. Your new life starts now. Follow this 30-day guide, and you can lose 5 to 12 kilos, depending on your starting point and commitment. More importantly, you'll gain energy, better sleep, clearer skin, and real confidence. This is a total life transformation, not just a diet. Save this video, share it, and come back whenever you need motivation. Comment below if you're committing to the challenge. I want to hear your progress. Your transformation starts today.